The possibility of encounter with extraterrestrial life is sensationalized in the media. We see invading green aliens with egg shaped heads and UFOs swooping across backyard skylines. Through these depictions, we have come to believe that extraterrestrial life exists only in the minds of the dreamers or the mentally unstable. But extraterrestrial encounter is a realistic possibility within our own lifetimes. An ethical obligation to protect and preserve extraterrestrial microbial life and ecosystems must be incorporated into international law, so that, should such a brush with the unknown occur, we are prepared to act in a way that respects both the intrinsic and instrumental value of extraterrestrial life, as well as reflects the way we as humans would hope to be treated should we be the discovered rather than the discoverers. Firstly, extraterrestrial microbial life has intrinsic value. Ethical complexity, the ability to rationalize, and sentience have all been used as criteria in determining our obligation to protect extraterrestrial life. Yet philosopher Kenneth Goodpaster offers a compelling counterpoint. He stated in a 1978 study, "Neither rationality nor the capacity to experience pleasure and pain seem to me necessary, even though they may be sufficient conditions on moral considerability. Nothing short of the condition of being alive seems to me a plausible and non-arbitrary criterion. We must value all forms of life simply because they are alive, just like we as humans are. Yet in addition to its pure intrinsic value, extraterrestrial life also has instrumental value. Microbes on Earth are vital to our planet's functioning. They cycle major nutrients through the biosphere and create the large-scale productivity necessary for a complex biosphere to exist in the first place. Microbial life in extraterrestrial environments most likely serves similar systematically crucial functions. Yet extraterrestrial life may also have value beyond our immediate frameworks of understanding. As humans in the age of space exploration, it is vital to admit that there is much about extraterrestrial life we do not yet know. Before we have a comprehensive understanding of how extraterrestrial ecosystems function, and how organisms from extraterrestrial environments may interact with their own ecosystem, we must proceed with caution. Yet perhaps most importantly, we have an obligation to protect extraterrestrial microbial life because we would hope our discoverers would do the same should we be the discovered. Herein lies the cosmic golden rule, or the notion that we should not treat inferior extraterrestrials differently from the way in which we would want to be treated by superior extraterrestrials. What if a highly superior species came to Earth? Wouldn't we hope they treated life on Earth with respect and adopted a policy of no harm? Or even more crucially, what if a superior extraterrestrial species came to the primordial soup that was Earth 7 billion years ago? What if they showed blatant disregard for the evolutionary processes occurring and adopted a policy of exploitation instead? Life on Earth as we know it today would not have come to fruition. As members of the human race, we must respect the crucial role extraterrestrial microbial life may play in maintaining both distant ecosystems and our own ecosystem here on Earth. We must exercise a degree of empathy, considering how we would hope to be treated should it be the spaceships of another planet that were landing on our soil. But most importantly, we must remember that organisms, large and small, earthly and foreign, are all united by the simple fact that they are alive. Life must know no planetary boundaries.